Okay, in this video we are going to solve the numericals number 9.1. This is the exercise numericals. So now what is the question? A small candle 2.5 centimeter in size is placed at 27 centimeter in front of the concave mirror of the radius of the curvature 36 centimeters. So here first of all we have given the concave mirrors. So you can see here we have drawn a figure, that is the concave mirror. This is the pole, center of the curvature. So distance between C and P, that is the radius of the curvature. So that radius of the curvature is given. So first of all you have write the data that is given in the question. So size of the object is given. So that is denoted by H. So H is equal to 2.5 centimeters. After that you have given the object is placed at 27 centimeter in front of the concave mirrors. So this is the object distance, that is denoted by U. So U is equal to 27 centimeter, and this is the negative because this is in left hand side of the pole. After that you have given the concave mirrors and the radius of the curvature. So for the concave mirror, the radius of the curvatures, that is also negative. You can see this is the left hand sides of the P. So R is also negative, minus 36 centimeters. So now question is, so at what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? So you have to place a screen somewhere here such that you get a image clearly. So this is you have to find out the image distance, that is denoted by V. So here you have given U, R, and you have to find out V. So now we know that what is the mirror formula. So mirror formula is given by the mirror formula, that is given by 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. But here you have given the R, you have not given the F. So we know that what is the relationship between R and F, that is R is equal to 2F. R is equal to 2F. Now we have to find out F. So F is equal to R by 2. So now what is the R? R we have given, that is 36. You can see 36 centimeters. So placed here. So we have 36 divided by 2, but that is the negative. So this one, that is minus 18. Okay, 18 centimeters. This is the focal length. So now place the values of the F, V. So you get value of the U, V. That is the image distance. So from this equation we have to find out the image distance. So image distance 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon F minus 1 upon U. From this one you can see we have to find out V. So 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon F. This is taken in RHS, that means minus 1 upon U. So now put the value. So you get 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon F. F, that is minus 180. This minus is there. Now U that is given minus 27. This minus plus. So 1 upon minus 180 plus 1 upon 27. So you can find out the V. This is the 1 upon V. We have find out the V. So now take the LCM. So what is the LCM? So you take the cross multiplication, that is the easy. Or we can say that take the 54, that is the LCM. You can solve this in different way, but easy way, that is you take the cross multiplication, that is also easy. So 1 upon V is equal to, this is the cross multiplication, 27 is multiplied here, this is the minus 18 divided by 18 into 27, but this is the minus. So 27 minus 18, that is the 9, divide by this is 18 and 27. This is 9 2s are 18. So you get 1 upon V. Here only 1 is remaining. Divide by this is minus 2 into 27. That means minus 54. Take the reciprocal on both sides. So V is equal to minus 54 centimeters. That means if you want to obtain the sharp image of the objects, so you should place the screen at distance 54 centimeters. This is the minus. What is the meaning of this minus? So screen should be placed in LHS of the P in this sense. because each and every distance in these sides are taken as negative. So this is our object distance u, that is 27. So you should place the image, that is the screen, at distance 54. Okay, so this is the first question which is solved. So first question is you have to find out the image distance. After that you have given they describe the nature and size of the image. Now what is the meaning of nature? That means what is the types of the image? Image is virtual or real. So from these conclusions you can easily understand what is the image. So here your image distance, that is negative. Here your image distance is negative. Because of that your image is real. But you should find out these data from the magnification. So now question is that how we can take the magnification if you get the magnification positive. So what is the type of the image, and if the magnification is negative, and what is the type of the image. So first of all you should remember that things. So we revise that one. This is the not part of the your numericals, but you should remember. Okay, we know that what is the formula for magnification. Magnification formula, that is the m is equal to minus v upon u. This minus is there. Now we know that this is the concave mirror. Concave mirror, this is pole. If your image is behind the mirror, suppose in this side, so this image is virtual. Okay, an object is always placed in this side, so this is the object and this one is image. So now if your image is virtual, at that times this image distance is this one. So this image distance is positive, but your object is always placed in left hand side, so that is the negative. So put this value here when your image is virtual. When image is virtual, at that times v is positive and u is always negative. Okay, so now put this one here. So m is equal to, this minus is there, this minus will be there, v is positive, that means that is the positive, and u is always negative. So this negative and negative becomes positive, so our magnification is positive. So now what is the conclusion? When our image is virtual, at that time magnification is positive. Now take the opposite case. When our image is real, at that times, so you can see this is the concave mirror, non-reflecting surface. Is image is real, that means image form in this side. This is the image, and suppose object is placed here. Object is always placed in left hand side. Okay, so object distance will be negative. Now image which is in left hand side of the P, so image is also negative. So in this case your magnification is m is equal to minus v upon u. So m is equal to, this minus will be there, so v is negative, or u is always negative. So this negative become positive, but negative will be there, so our total magnification, that is negative. That means when magnification is negative, at that times image will be real. Okay, so keep in your minds, our magnification, when we get magnification is positive, so image is virtual, and if the magnification is negative, so image is real. So here you have given data, and from that you have find out what is the nature. That means if your magnification is positive, so image is virtual, and if the magnification is negative, then image is real. We have find out that. Okay, so now we find the magnification sign. So we know that what is the formula for magnification. So magnification m is equal to minus v upon u. So now put the values of v and u. We know that in these numericals we have given the u, that is the 27, that is negative always, and we have find out the v. So v is 54, that is also negative, we get. Okay, so now put the value here. So m is equal to, this minus will be there, and v, that is minus 27, v, this is minus 54, sorry, this is the v. Now u, that is minus 27, this minus minus plus 27 2s are 54, so you get minus 2. So here magnification is negative, So in previous section we have discussed when magnification is negative, so your image is real. If the magnification is positive, so image is virtual. Okay, so our image nature will be found, that is given here, image is real. Now the third question is we have to find out the size, that means h dash. Now we know that what is the relationship between magnification and height of the object and image height. So magnification given by m is equal to ratio of image height divided by object height. Here magnification, that is -2. So magnification is -2. You have find out the h dash is equal to h dash divided by h. The object distance is given. That is the object distance here you have given. That is 2.5 centimeter. H is given 2.5 centimeter. So put here 2.5 centimeter. So now your h dash is equal to your h dash, this is multiply here -2 into 2.5, so you get -5 centimeter. This is the height of the image. This height is also negative. So what is the indication of height is negative? That means image which is the below the principal axis. Object is always placed above the principal axis, because of that h is always positive. But when your height of the image h dash is negative, that means below the principal axis, and if you get the image height that is positive, at that time above the principal axis. So when real image will be there, so height of the image is negative, and virtual image, the height of the image will be positive. So this is the third question. We have to find out the height of the image. So for that you take this relationship, m is equal to h dash by h. You can find out the nature from this magnification. So put the wall data, you get the height of the image. So this is very easy. Now the last question is So what is the last question in this? You can see. So how would the here, if you can see, if the candle is moved closer to the mirror, how would the screen have to move? This is the object, candle will be there. If this which is moved towards the mirror, then what is the image positions, or we can say that how we can move the image or image screen. That means when object which is towards the mirror, so image which is formed away from the mirrors. These things you have learned in 10 standards. When our object is at infinite, so image at the focus. When object is beyond the C, then image which is between C and F. When object at the C, then image will be also formed in at the C. That means when object which is towards the mirror, so image form away from the mirrors. So here question is that when this candle which is moved towards the mirror, so what is the screen position? So you should move the screen away from the mirror. So last question answer is, if the candle is moved closer to the mirror, then screen have to move away from the mirror. Then and then only you get the clearly image. Okay, so this is the most important. First of all, you have given data, h is given, u is given, r is given. You have to find out v. So from the mirror formula, we know that what is the relationship between u, v and f. So first of all, we have taken u, v, f relation. But f is not given, r is given. So from the equation r is equal to 2f, you can find out f is equal to r by 2. Put the values of r, you get the f. Now put u and f, so you get the v. So from this equation we have 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon f minus 1 upon u. Put the all values. So f is minus 18, this is minus 27. Now simplify this one, you get the image value, image distance, that is minus 54. This is minus, that means image which is in LHS of the P. Okay, after that you have given, or you have to find out the nature of the image. So for that, first of all, you must be know for virtual image the magnification which is positive, and for real image magnification will be negative. So remember. Okay, now find out the magnification. So here we get the magnification negative. That means now image which is real. After that, you have find out the size of the image. So h dash we have to find out. So we know that equation m is equal to h dash by h. We have to find out h dash, so put value of m and h. So from that you get h dash, that is -5. This minus indication means below the principal axis, that means virtual image. Okay, and last question, when object is moved towards the mirror, so you should move the screen away from the mirror. So this is our exercise 9.1, that is the numericals 9.1. So now here we stop. In next session we solve some numericals which is based on mirror formula. Okay, thank you.